Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making red skin potato stuffing. Alright, I'm starting out in a large skillet I preheated. I'm going to add 2 sticks of butter in here. And I've had this one viewer comment on my videos and saying about how I make fatty foods that clogs your arteries. I should make healthier stuff. Well, it's the comfort food channel. If you don't like it, go watch a keto channel. Alright. Now I have 3 stalks of celery here I sliced up. That's going to go in. And I have 3 medium onions I sliced up. We're going to get them in there. And I'm going to saute these until they start to turn translucent and get soft. Right now that my onions and celery softened up, I have some red skin potatoes here I peeled and I boiled in salt water. They still have a little bit of a bite to them. You don't want them completely soft because they'll turn to mush in here. You can also use russet potatoes and you can peel them or not. That's up to you. I'm going to stir that around in the onions and celery and butter. And I'm going to season this with a little salt and pepper. And I'm going to add a little bit of celery seed. Even though we have that celery in there, this really enhances the flavor. And a little bit goes a long way. Now I have this down on low. I'm just going to let those potatoes simmer in there while we move on to the next step. Right now I have a dozen eggs in a large bowl that I season with salt, pepper, more of that celery seed. I'm going to go ahead and scramble these. And guys, my mom always made this stuffing when we were kids growing up, except she always used russet potatoes that she would peel first. The red skin's much easier. You just want to scramble your eggs good so you don't have any white in your stuffing. Now I have 16 slices of white bread that I diced up into cubes. We're going to get that down into the eggs. And I'm just going to go in and mix this around to moisten up that bread in those eggs. And if there's a little bit of egg left, that's fine, because that's going to help hold the potatoes and the bread together in the stuffing, and it'll make it that much more better. Right now I'm going to go ahead and dump the eggs and the bread cubes into the potatoes. And I'm going to turn my heat up to about medium. Give this a stir to get everything all mixed together. Now you see why I didn't cook my potatoes completely soft, because they would mush apart. They're going to cook in here with the bread cubes, and everything will cook evenly. Now I'm going to fry this on medium to medium high heat until all the egg is cooked. There's no more raw egg there, and I'll turn it around every now and then for even cooking. Alright, my stuffing fried for about 10 minutes. It's done. You can tell when it's done because it starts to loosen up and get a little flaky. The eggs cooked. I seasoned it with a little dry parsley while I was frying, a little more salt. This is ready to go, guys. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some meatloaf and garlic butter corn. Let me get in here and try this stuffing, guys. Really delicious. Tastes like the way Mom made it. You get them seasonings, you get that butter coming through, the egg, soft potatoes, the onions. Guys, that's really delicious. It really wasn't hard at all. Red skin potato stuffing. Thanks for watching and support me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.